A major development has emerged in the alleged sex scandal that has triggered tensions in Kurtore over the past few days. Police have now arrested a 20-year-old youth identified as Soham Naik in connection with the case. Sources say the accused is from Kakoda Madegaon area and has been booked under non-billable sections. This arrest comes amid growing public outrage after report surfaced linking the case to a larger alleged sex racket, with serious accusations that has even drawn attention to individuals connected to local political circles. Locals had given ultimatum of arrest within 24 hours or threatened road blockade. Over the last 48 hours, the situation in Kurtore had remained tense. Large groups of residents had gathered outside the police station, demanding swift action and clarity from authorities. Police officials have assured that the investigation is ongoing and that all angles, including possible links to organized illegal activities, are being thoroughly probed. At this stage, authorities are also working to verify the extent of network and whether more individuals could be involved. This case has once again raised serious concern about law and order and the possible existence of organized crime operating under the radar in Goa.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.